Hola, hello everyone, how are you all? In today's video, we will be learning about vegetables, the vegetables which are called las verduras. Now, I will be telling you how we say some of the vegetables in Spanish, starting with avocado. It is called aguacate. Garlic is called ajo. Peas are called alverjas or guisantes. Eggplant, which is also called brinjal, is called berenjena. Broccoli is called broccoli, as we call it in English. Pumpkin is called zapallo. Sweet potato is called camote. Onion is called cebola. Green onions are called cebolitas. Mushrooms are called champiñones. Bell pepper is called chili pimiento. So when we have to say red pepper, the red bell pepper, we say chili pimiento rojo. And green bell pepper is chili pimiento verde. The color basically comes at the end. Cauliflower is called cauliflower. Green beans are called ejotes. Spinach is called espinaca. Sweet corn is called elote. Beans are called frijoles. Lettuce is called lechuga. And potato is called papa. Cucumber is called pepino. Radish is called rabano. Cabbage is called repollo. Tomato is called tomate. And carrot is called zanahoria. These are some of the vegetables. If you have some other vegetables to ask or if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. I hope this video helped you know about the vegetables in Spanish and you would be able to now memorize them. Stay tuned for the next video on sports, in which we'll be doing the different kinds of outdoor sports and indoor sports. Follow my Instagram handle for more Spanish content like Spanish facts, Spanish cuisines, fun contests and much more. Don't forget to like, share and press the bell icon so that you don't miss on to my next lesson, which is on sports. Gracias.